Dear interior design lovers and fans of Meg Ryan, in this video we are traveling to Santa Barbara, California, and we are visiting a new house of Meg Ryan. While I was preparing this video, I found that Meg Ryan took on a new job instead of acting. The actress has become a residential renovator / interior designer. Only about 11 months after the actress bought the home, she was already done with the place. Records reveal she's quietly sold the house on an off-market deal. Please make yourself comfortable, we are starting the tour. Reportedly, in February 2020, Meg Ryan purchased a new house in Santa Barbara on the California coast after falling in love with the views. The Santa Ynez Mountains form the city's dramatic backdrop. The You've Got Mail star paid $5.25 million for the farmhouse through Sotheby's. Prior to Ryan's purchase, the house had recently undergone renovation, but during her brief ownership, the actress put a lot of work into the space, most probably keeping in mind the future sale of the house. A newly rehabbed residence sequestered behind electric gates in California's exclusive celeb and tycoon-favored seaside enclave of Montecito. The pandemic brought a stampede of celebrities snapping up properties in this coastal community. In that district, her neighbors are Oprah Winfrey, Ariana Grande, and Prince Harry. This house is a postmodern farmhouse dating to 1995. It boasts that feature common to all better Montecito properties. Its acreage allows for abundant privacy and breathing room. The Mountain View Idol sprawls across 1.5 glorious private acres, and the stylishly appointed, roughly 4,300 square foot modern farmhouse-style residence evokes the released serenity of a high-end boutique hotel. The farmhouse is barely bigger than her former New York City loft. We toured the loft on the channel together already, so you can watch it through the link in the upper right corner or down below in the description box. Meg Ryan sold the loft reportedly for $10 million. Property is extremely private, perfect for Ryan's celeb status. The property boasts 3 bedrooms, 3.5 deluxe bathrooms, office, wine pantry, brick patio, and a killer backyard including a fruit garden. Let's enter the house now. The grand living room has an open space layout. Before the renovation, the room was like this. After the actress repaired it, the living room looks like this now. There are dark brown hardwood floors, exposed muscular wood beams on the vaulted ceiling, which are painted white, and a row of impressively tall French doors, 2 or 3 sets of them. That allows for an easy transition to the outdoor spaces. The living room is anchored by a white painted brick fireplace. Thanks to the open space of the voluminous living room, Meg Ryan can feel the outdoor breeze as she sits in her living room. And this is how the living room looks now after the renovation. The whole room is done in monochrome neutral colors, which are very characteristic of Meg Ryan's interior design style. There is an area next to the window in the corner dedicated to piano playing. And on the other right, there is an area dedicated to perhaps writing. We see here a glass desk. And here we can see most probably a living room corner. Or perhaps this cozy nook is somewhere on the way to the living room, not far from one of the house entrances. The corner is dedicated to writing or doing some business tasks without any distraction. The writing desk is made of glass and rustic metal base which holds the glass tabletop. On the wall we see a distressed mirror. No, it's not a painting, and Meg Ryan herself was very much involved in the making of this distressed mirror. You can find it on her Instagram. And who knows, maybe the phrase on the mirror, "I saw you first," was her idea and shows her sense of humor. Overall, it's a very cozy corner where you can easily concentrate. To me, it looks a little bit dark, and I'd prefer a writing desk next to a window, but there is a lighting fixture above the desk on the ceiling, so perhaps there's enough light for writing, creating, and planning. This corner with the desk reminds me very much of the desk areas that we saw in New York Loft, which she renovated. Before the sale of the house, the actress made sure to be photographed in the newly renovated living room. And here we see the latest pictures of the actress, standing in the living room of the house. Now let's move on to the kitchen. The kitchen is casually open to the living and dining space and arranged around a large island. This is a before kitchen and this is the kitchen after a complete overhaul. The kitchen's details, like a cabinet with arched doors, an arched doorway leading to a larger pantry, and unique appliances combine to create a chic atmosphere. 3 of the 4 dining room walls are floor-to-ceiling windows, creating an almost greenhouse-like space that stands as one of the home's most stunning areas. From the dining room, a sleek outdoor fireplace can be seen, along with the home's pool and surrounding lounge area. All of the home's pictured walls are white, but exposed beams and varied flooring adds copious texture to the space. The impressive open-concept kitchen offers top-grade culinary equipment. It has 2 ovens, 2 sinks, and 2 under-the-counter coolers, in addition to the refrigerator. It also features natural stone slab counters. There is a refrigerated walk-in wine pantry in the kitchen as well. It is designed to hold 300 bottles. It is equipped with a lockable door to house some seriously expensive liquor. In overhaul, the kitchen veers into some industrial-infected contemporary feel. As you can see, the house has been altered in keeping with Ryan's style. She's got a sharp eye for finishes, and when considering a replacement for some of the home's wide plank floors, she chose marble tiles in a honed finish. An irregular laying of gray and white adds an element of whimsy to the shared space. Elsewhere, plank hardwood remains in a more lustrously dark finish. Other textural touches include muted wall covering that's nearly jacquard. The home has been brightened as well, and the ceiling trusses, formerly black, have been given a lick of white paint. Other changes include the addition of steel-framed windows and doors, and the trading out of the living room's stone fireplace accent wall with a less conspicuous design, a simple white painted masonry affair with a screen that looks Moroccan. Now let's go to the office. It is generously proportioned with vaulted ceilings and custom built-ins. The office is a room with a view. The actress can get work done while enjoying a view of her outdoors. Whether the office has stayed untouched, it is difficult to say, because no picture of the renovated office room has been posted. The study room for the actress's adopted daughter looks very girly, thanks to the Chanel perfume drawing on the wall. The study room is tiny and is decorated with vibrant colors. Light green was chosen for walls, bright yellow for the chair, and the desk is of dark wood. Now we are moving to the master bedroom. The house boasts 3 good-sized bedrooms. The master suite can open up directly to the warm outside world of Montecito. Typically, it enjoys summer temperatures to 70s and 80s. The town just south of Santa Barbara is one of the coolest places in California. The master suite features a vaulted high ceiling. It opens through a bank of metal-trimmed windows to a large garden of sculpted hedging. The master bedroom used to be like this. After it was renovated by Meg Ryan, it looks like this. The interior design of the room is done in gray and white colors. The massive wood beams on the ceiling are painted white. The walls are covered with the light gray patterned wallpaper. The amount of furniture we see in this part of the room is a minimal one. A master bed is upholstered with light gray fabrics. 2 identical white lamps sit on the 2 different bedside tables. One of them is a copper metal table with a glass top, and the other is a white bedside chest. The carpet on the floor is gray with white pattern. And this is the final look of the master bedroom. This final option was shown to the interested parties while the house was on sale. Here we can see the characteristic feature of Meg Ryan's touch. The wallpaper was kept the same, but the furniture is different now, and we see more of it. The bed frame reminds the one we saw in her New York apartment. The armchairs, together with the coffee table, are in black and gray colors. The different gray carpet looks more minimalistic now. The lamp is different here too, less glamorous and of a more simple design. Most probably after the sale of the house, the room will be furnished in a different way. And this is the ensuite bathroom. An oval-shaped soaking tub which sits by a picture window offering picturesque views of the California hillsides. The bathroom is marble-lined. We can see that the master bathroom includes more storage space than any normal person could ever want. It has multiple floor-to-ceiling built-in closets and over a dozen drawers between the marble-topped vanity and the marble-top center island. And this is master bathroom after the renovation. It hasn't changed much. Only the bathtub area is separated from the rest of the bathroom with the lightweight partitions with glass inserts in black frames, which are sort of the continuation of the window we see in the room. The master suite also features 2 walk-in closets. Here we can see a spacious dressing room with under-the-cabinet lighting and a television mounted above the vanity. Now let's go and see the guest bedrooms. One of the 2 guest bedrooms used to be like this. After it was mechanized, it looks this way now. As you can see, not much has changed except for the color of the furniture and of accessories. All the furniture in the room is white. The armchair handles are of the dark brown color, just like the wooden floor in the house. The bedspread and cushions are mostly of light gray color, just like in the master bedroom. Now we are in the guest bathroom. This is the version of the bathroom before Meg Ryan moved in. Whether any changes were made to the bathroom, we do not know. But the bathroom itself looks amazing. It is outfitted with white marble and has gray and white tiles on the floor. The vanity has a lot of additional storage underneath. The shower/bathtub looks pretty classic. One more guest bathroom is decorated with lime green tiling, a circular vanity mirror, a modern vessel sink, and pendant lighting. Most probably, it was redecorated by the actress in monochromatic colors, like she did with all the colorful rooms in the house. And this is a TV room. We have 2 variants of it. This is the first option of the TV room, and this is the final option of it. The first option looks like a classical choice of furniture for the TV room. Meg Ryan chose muted and neutral tones for it, mostly white, gray and black. The gray velvet sofa looks very chic. The big coffee table of white marble top and dark wood is very good combined with the black and white patterned rug on the floor. The room is also fitted with 3 light beige lamps. While this type of decoration of the room looks a bit empty and is definitely not for a big number of people. And this is the laundry room. An enviably spacious laundry room is outfitted with marble floors, marble countertops and sleek dark wood cabinets. And here we can see a glass extension that the actress added to the house. Glass extensions are a great way of improving your home and adding value. Modern glass extensions can complement the exterior of a home and allow to appreciate the outside space all year round. This extension looks like a harmonized, integrated extension to the living space. This conservatory provides a beautiful view of the garden and brings the outdoor feeling indoors. It brings a lot of light into the house as well. Most probably it's a breakfast area, which opens onto a swimming pool and barbecue area. And we think that it locates next to the office room. Let's go outside now. Behind the front gates, this estate affords its owner ample privacy, which is something that Ryan desires. The back of the house has stunning over-the-treetops mountain views. Throughout the 1.5 acres, there is enough space for a leisure activity. A massive red brick terrace is fitted with an outdoor fireplace and a custom-designed grilling and food prep area. Rough-cut stone steps flank an eye-catching tiled fountain and lead to a sparkling swimming pool. There is an outdoor shower. The floor is made from dark Brazilian wood. The shower is located just off the kitchen, useful for washing off suntan lotion before whipping up a snack. The garden is filled with roses, avocado, and fruit and oak trees. The effortlessly casual yet fastidiously mountain grounds additionally offer a secluded patio for alfresco dining amid ancient oak trees, raised bed gardens, and a variety of fruit trees. A set of wicker chairs hang from the stately ivy-heavy trellis, which looks like something out of a movie set in itself. It's a peaceful place. Don't you think so? The actress worked with prolific local design-build firm and landscape designers to reimagine the previously modern farmhouse-style estate into a so-called contemporary jewel box of architectural features. Those upgrades involved copious amount of white paint, all new fixtures, gorgeous floor-to-ceiling banks of windows, and a rather stunning overhauled kitchen. And this is the end of the tour. Which room in the house is your favorite one? Please leave your comment below. Whose house you'd like to tour next time? Please comment below. We hope that already next year, each person on this planet will have a home like this. Please subscribe to the channel, you would help the channel a lot. And please like this video if you liked it. See you on our next interior design tour very soon this week.